Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to presentation of my project. The title is The Role of Color in Building Emotion and Visual Communication. The first slide, there is table of content. 1. Introduction, and then background, problem, formulation, and objective. The second, discussion. There are the impact of color and on emotion. And second, color as a visual communication tool. And last, custodians on the use of color in media. The third, conclusion and suggestion. The last is a revelation. Before to the next slide, here I want to introduce myself. My name is Salma Zakiatul Zahra from the Visual Communication Design Study Program and from class 24E. Here I want to present what my English paper assessment is about the role of color in building emotion and visual communication. And here we go. The next slide, there is the background. Background is color play a vital role in human life. Beyond aesthetics, color can influence emotion and convey message visually. In various ways, such as graphic design, marketing, and art, color is used as an effective communication tool. That color is not just about visuals, but also about how feeling and thought then be influenced by certain color. In the next slide, there is problem formulation. There are how does color affect human emotion? And then, how is color utilized in visual communication? And next, objective. There are, the first, do you understand the relationship between color and human emotion? The second, to explore the role of color in creating effective visual communication. The next slide, there is discussion. First, the impact of color on emotion. Color has a direct relationship with human psychology. Each color evokes specific emotion. For example, red repression. Red repression courage, passion, or anger. Blue convey calmness, truth, and professionalism. Yellow symbolizes cheerfulness. CHEER. Carefulness. Bukan careful berarti. Careful. Yellow symbolizes careful and optimist. Green represents harmony, balance, and nature. For number 1, attract attention by color like red and yellow are often used to draw action in advertisements or information board. Number 2, establish brand identity. Color is a critical element in branding, such as Facebook's blue or Coca-Cola's red. Number 3, convey information. In infographics, color help different elements and makes information easier to understand. The use of color in media. There are web design. Blue is often used on professional websites in create a sense of truth. Food advertising. Red and yellow are commonly used by fast food brands to stimulate appetite. The last, films and art. In films, color is often used to convey mood, such as dark color for sad, or My Mysterious Scans. Next slide is conclusion. Color play an essential role in building emotion and visual communication. Each color carries a distinct psychology, message, and then can influence human feeling and perception. In visual communication, color is used to attract attention, convey information, and establish identity. The last slide, there is reference. First, Esmond. Second, Byron. And the last, official website of the American Psychology Association. And this is my presentation. If wrong of my speech, I'm so sorry. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.